Welcome to our new course, Microsoft Excel for Absolute Beginners. We're going to start with Chapter 1, Getting Started with Microsoft Excel. We're going to see, as indicated in table of contents, we're going to see Introduction to Microsoft Excel, Excel Workbook, Spreadsheets, Ribbon, Data Entry, and finally, we are going to see how to save a workbook. What is Microsoft Excel? Is a computer program that can be used for various tasks such as data entry and analysis tasks, financial analysis, payroll preparation, simple database, and many more tasks. Microsoft Excel can help in many ways. If you have a business, Excel can help you to manage inventory, therefore reduce loss and increase profit. If you have a job, Excel can help you to simplify tasks, work faster, and therefore increase efficiency. If you are looking for a job, Excel may increase your chance of being hired since most organizations need these skills. Excel Workbook. A workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets to help you organize data. A workbook can contain multiple sheets. You can manage those sheets with the sheet tabs near the bottom of the screen. Click a tab to open that particular sheet. The quickest way to open a new workbook is to click on the Start menu and write Excel in your search bar. If you see Excel icon, click on it to have a new workbook open, as I'm going to show you right now. So you click on Start menu, go to your search bar and write Excel. Then here we have an Excel, and then it is opening. After that, you have your Excel opening. You have a spreadsheet that looks like this one. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is a single sheet inside the workbook. There can be many sheets inside the workbook, and they are accessed via the tabs at the bottom of the screen. A spreadsheet have rows and columns. The vertical line in a spreadsheet are columns. They are indicated by letters, while the horizontal ones are rows. They are indicated by numbers. The intersection between a row and a column is called a cell. In the picture below, column D is selected, row 3 is selected, and therefore cell D3 is selected also, as it is indicated in this picture. So this is how we manage the different sheets. You can rename a sheet. Let's call it hello, and after that you can right click and then delete another sheet. You can still click on the sheet and then find many more options such as move or copy or insert. What is a ribbon? It is located at the top of the window of a spreadsheet. It includes a number of tabs. They are File, Home, Insert, Data, Review, View, and Add-ins. Each tab contains different buttons. In addition to tabs, the ribbon also has some smaller sections, and when you are looking for something specific, you can easily use these sections. Skim through the section names until you find what you're looking for. This is how the ribbon looks like, and it has different tabs such as File, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data, Review, View, Add-ins. And within each section, each tab, there are different sections and therefore different roles. So data entry. It is easy to add data to Microsoft Excel. You can add data of any form such as numbers, text, characters, and other data types. You can also manipulate the data as you want in Excel. To write something into Excel cell, double click in it. Then just write whatever you want, like this. You double click in the cell, then I write hello in the cell. I move to the next cell, I write 1, then 4, I write 2, and so on and so forth. After you have completed your task, then the next step is to save your work. After you have finished your work in Excel, the next step is to save the changes you have made. The quickest way is to use keyboard shortcut of Ctrl plus S to save. If you haven't yet saved your spreadsheet, you'll be asked where you want to save it and what you want to call it. You can also go to File menu and then click Save like this. After you've completed the task, then you Ctrl press Save. I save into my document, then I rename, I call it Learning Excel. Then after writing it, then I click Save, and then it is already saved in my document. So this is the end of the first chapter. Thank you. Don't miss the next chapter, which will be formatting a spreadsheet. Thank you.